Having a big reason why.
Yeah. So why is this important? This is like foundational, right?
Yeah, we've talked about that several times too, but your reason why hopefully isn't make a lot of money. That's a very superficial version of that, I think. So really,
but it is a lot of people, so you got to shift that, right?
That's true. So what you want to do is look, I want to make a lot of money too, but that's not the goal. The reason why isn't the money. The reason why is, spending more time with your family. How do you get there? The money. Like, it's a means to an end. So it's really like a mindset shift.
Yeah. And it might be the things you buy with the money, a different type of house, a plane, or I've been looking into getting a boat, maybe taking on sailing. I mean, whatever like gets you excited, that's the thing that's going to be your why. Money, just like it doesn't have any emotion to it, doesn't have any feeling to it.
Yeah.
Right? But the things that you can get with money, the problems that money solves, and I think even further than that, like what you can do with your business and your community, that's really huge, right?
Yeah, so one of our original reasons why, and it still is there, is, we wanted to do free cleaning for cancer patients. And so we set that up in the business from the get-go. Unfortunately, it kind of fell by the wayside during the pandemic with immunocompromised people and things like that, but the drive of it being in there never went away. And that drive kind of helps you engage with your community. It gives them a reason to want to focus on your business as opposed to whatever, the other cleaning business next door that drives really crappy cars because the owner wants all the money out of it. That's right. There's different ways to approach it.
Yeah, and one of our very first podcasts, it was like in one of our top first 3 podcasts, we talked about this exact thing, and there's a book called Evolved Enterprise by Yannick Silver, and this is what he talks about, going from transactional to transformational business, where you're transcending normal business by doing something that is going to help people choose you over the competitors because you have a deeper purpose, you have a deeper reason why. Like, so for us, people loved that we did the cancer cleans, and then they were deciding between 2 companies. They would say, well, you guys are doing more good in the community. My dollar's going to go further, and I'm going to feel better about spending money with you. So
I mean, it was beyond the cancer cleans too. It's not just that we wanted to do free cancer cleaning. It's like the whole company ethos is, responsible capitalism is what we've called it a couple times, but we want to run a very successful business, but by not being, a jerk about it. So we pay a living wage. We give our employees time off. We want them to spend time with their families. We give them cars to drive so they're not driving their own cars. So all of that kind of goes back to the big reason why.
Yeah, and really businesses that aren't doing this right now are going to become obsolete in the coming years because people are going to vote with their dollars and they're going to pick companies that have a big reason why, that have that impact.